Hello everyone, my name is Gia from Gia Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you how to delete, erase and start program. For example, if you want to delete any files, you can use del command, or you can also use erase command. And if you want to start programs such as notepad or CMD, you can use the CMD start command. So we're going to learn this right now. So in order to do that, first of all, open your CMD and navigate to desktop, because I usually works in desktops. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to open folder 1, okay, which is over here. So I'm going to see what other files inside here. I'm going to delete this java.txt. In order to do that, I can simply type del and java.txt. Now if I see the java file is gone, if you want to see graphically, you can open and see that the file is missing. So this is called del. So if you want to erase that, you can use erase command to delete that. I want to delete java program.java. So now what I'm going to see, the file is missing, and you can see the java program is missing. When I delete that, it's missing. Okay, the java program.java file is missing from this folder. I like that if you want to start notepad, and you can type start notepad, and just here it will open. So if you want to open another CMD program, you can type CMD. If you want to open Explorer, XPLO, yeah, okay, gonna happen, it's gonna open Explorer. Okay, I like that the start command is much powerful to start anything, and you can start VS Code. I think VS Code may be open, so there's no file in that. So start code, okay, I like that. So we can start many program from this command prompt. So in this video we have learned how to delete files and how to erase files and how to start programs. So in upcoming videos we're going to learn we maybe learn some commands. So otherwise we're going to get into batch scripting. Batch scripting is a powerful thing we're going to do in this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to watch the next video.